Hello everyone, welcome to the programming in C class. In this video we are going to discussing about what is conditional operator and what are the assignment operators, how we are using in the C programming. So already in the previous videos we have discussed about some of the operators. So just conditional operators in detail we are discussing in there. Already in a previous video we have discussed about this conditional operator also. Whereas in the conditional operator, as we have discussed in a previous video, as a ternary operator, right? Like the operators were divided in a three ways, that is based on their number of operands passes to the operators. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ತ್ರೀ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಆಪರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೇನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅಸ್ ಅ ತ್ರೀ ಟೈಪ್ಸು. ಒಂದೇನು ಯುನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೆರ್ನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಟೆರ್ನರಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು types of operating systems we have discussed like we were discussing about conditional operator. So whereas in the operands wise we had a three, that is unary, binary, and we have a ternary operator. This operator is called as ternary because there are three expressions involved in that's why we call it as a ternary operators. And other side as a operators we are using like this conditional operator, this as a conditional operator. Number of operands if you consider, then it is called as a ternary operator. Okay, we have covered the conditional operators already in the discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ once again in this previous videos, and which is helping us to replace the what if else ಅನ್ನು replace ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ help ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. How in the sense, for example, you are having as an expression 1. If it is true, then this expression will evaluate. If it is false, then this expression will evaluate. That is, if true, this one, else this one. That's why it performs in the way of if else, where expression 1, expression 2, and expression 3 are the three expressions. Notice that the use of placement where the colon is there. See, this is a very important. Okay, the question mark and colon we are using like to have a true statement and for a false statement. And the value of question mark expression is determined like this. Okay, that is expression 1 is evaluated. If it is true, then expression 2 is evaluated and becomes the value of entire question mark. Okay, then it will be assigned. Suppose if you are having like variable, right, then this value will be assigned to this one. Okay, if the expression 1 is false, then expression 3 evaluates and its value becomes the value of the expression. Then if it is false, then it evaluates and then will be assigned to the variable. In this way conditional operator executes. As already we have discussed with or on to the ternary operator. Then what are the assignment operators we are having? Assignment andre you are going to be assigning the values. The first simple assignment andre it is always right to left assignment associative. For example, you are having like a is equal to 10. Then what do you mean this? Yes, you are assigning the value 10 to the variable a. Okay, suppose you have a is equal to, right, b is equal to a is equal to b is equal to 5. Then the value will first assign, because it is a right to left associative. That's why value will assign to the variable b first. From the b it assigned to the value a. In this way value will be assigned. That is what we call it as an assignment operator. Here along with the assignment operator some other things we are having like equal to is, as we know, it directly assigns. Simple assignment operator and assign the value from right side operand to the left side. Okay, that's why I told you it is a right to left associative. Okay, and then plus equal to, what do you mean by this? Plus equal to andre eno? For example, if you have left side operand is equal to the same operand is there at the right side also, and plus some constant values if you have. Okay, then what we are doing, we may write this expression as a plus is equal to 5. This operation can be replaced like this. Instead of 5 you can have other variables also, like if you have a b, then a plus equal to, right, a plus equal to b it becomes, right. That is what plus equal to operand, that is a add and assignment operator, and it adds the right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. For example, like this if you have, then it is equivalent to c is equal to c plus a. See, remember that both these two should be same, left side operand and right side operand should be same, then only you can do. If you are having like a is equal to b plus c, then you cannot write like this. Okay, a is equal to b plus c, then you can't write like a plus is equal to c, you can't write, because it should be same, right, it should be same, then only you can write it. Then similarly we are using a minus, that is a subtractor. Okay, subtract and assign the operator. This is called as add and assign operator, subtract and assign operator. It subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. See, for example, if I am using like this, then it subtracts from the right operand to the left operand and assigns to the left operand. That is what we call it as a minus equal to. In this also it is similar, like it must have same operands, then only you can apply, otherwise you cannot. Okay, then star equal to also same, multiply and assign operator. It multiplies the right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Similarly, it multiplies with the right and left and it assigns to the left operand. This is how we can perform. In this also, in all these we should have like a same operand on a both left and right side. Then divide and assign operator we are using. Next is a divide and assign operator. In this, it divides the left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. That is what it divides by c divided by a, and then value will be assigned to the c. Okay, and then modulus operator can also be used in the similar way, that is modulus and assignment operator. It takes the modulus using two operands and assigns the result to the operand. See, these are the whatever you will get, that the result of modulus will be assigned to the c. So this is how we can perform. Among all these assignment operators, you should have, right, you should have same operand on left side as well as on right side, and then any of the constant or any variable after the operator. That's why we call it as a particular operators. Then we are having left shift and right shift with assignment. Okay, shift and assign. Okay, left shift and assign, that is like this you can use it, which is also same, like c is equal to then it shifts and then it assigns. Similarly, right shift and assign, so it shift first and then it assigns. And then ampersand equal to, that is a bitwise and assign, bitwise and operator and assigning the operators. That is what we can use it like similarly. And then we are using bitwise XOR also, bitwise OR also. Okay, so these operators can be used like a assignment operators. Any of the operators you can use, but like this if you are using, okay, but what is the difference between this and this? What do you mean? Yes, this is already we have discussed, like it is a equality operator, right? Equality operator, it changes the it checks the equality between the two values, but whereas this is assignment operator, it assigns the value. For example, a is equal to 10 if I do, then what happens, value of 10 10 value is assigned to the variable called a. Now value of a becomes 10. Okay, Whereas if I use like a equal to 10, if I use like a is equal to 10, what does happen? It tests that whatever the value of a is there, whether it matches to the 10, whether it equal to the 10. That is what equality operator and assignment operator. Hope you understood the difference between equality and then assignment operators. The assignment operators with all arithmetic operators, you can use it only when these two operands are same. Okay, so thank you. Hope you understood about what is a conditional operator and what is equality operators. Thank you.